Hold on. Ripping this little baby 90 off this Glastron. Got the LDS 90.
We just put one in.
Just put a transom in it. Did a whole new transom at a Kutza. Put a whole new dash at a Kutza.
2 years ago.
Boat's pretty cool.
Yeah, because you don't want.
This motor don't deserve no lightweight flywheel.
Is it a 13?
Yeah, I think gonna be a box and I get a ratchet. I'll be there.
Is it a 13 now?
Yeah, I felt it break and spin. No, I don't need a socket. I'll never be able to get that out.
I don't think I've any ratchet until it's in my box.
Now I have the lever. I'm telling you, it's a fucking nightmare. You know when you're fighting, I bent the cable. See this angle? So now you can fucking get to the bolt.
Ho ho ho, kid. Got the CLE 2-to-1 going on the dirty little 135, kid. Your girl's gonna love it.
Need help putting it up?
The neutral, see right there.
This is almost too thick of a lower unit for this motor, though.
What, the 2-to-1?
No, it's just like it lets it spin. Alright.
Hold on.
So what did Larry say about that truck yesterday?
AJ said he wanted 12 grand.
Oof.
Oh look, no, it is. Look, it is line.
I mean, that's what he told that dude, Andy.
Did he really?
Yeah. It's a lot of fucking money now.
He told me he ain't giving no deals to no motherfuckers.